I was to perform that night for the first time. So I went backstage and I said, this is something I cannot do because this is not done. I don't care. I don't care at all. I mean, Jackie's got it. He was damn good in Parinda, but you shouldn't have done this with me. And since you're my father's friend, you shouldn't have ever done this, you know. So he said, no, but you have to perform. I said, I cannot perform. So then Sandy said, you know what? I'll pay you for this performance. So I said, how much? So he gave me a figure. So I said, it won't happen in this much. Little more, little more. I took a substantial figure at that point of time, and that was the first time, 5 times that, 5 times them. And then he said, please don't tell anyone. I said, this is the wrong person you're talking to. So there was, I think, Juhi and Aki there. I came out, I think Centaur Hotel में था वो, pool के ऊपर उन लोग वो ramp और stage बनाते थे. तो I said, बाहर निकलो भाई Aki, Juhi, ऐसे ये check मेरे पास आया इस performance का, जरा बात कर लो, अपना भी निकाल लेना. कितना है, ऐसे ये figure नहीं बताऊंगा, तो negotiate कर ले. So that was the first time that any award function has paid for a performance. हमेशा से वो अवार्ड के लालच के अंदर परफॉर्म कराते थे और वो हमने ये चेंज कर दिया फिल्म फेयर और हमने और इनके उस वक्त के एडिटर ने. सो आज जो हम लोग अवार्ड फंक्शंस के लिए परफॉर्मेंसेस के लिए होस्टिंग के लिए पैसे कमाते हैं ये बदौलत है इनके उस वक्त के एडिटर की.
So, sorry,
तालियां उनके लिए.
Sorry to interrupt, but Salman was sharing this same story with me a couple of weeks ago. And he was telling me because I'd met Akshay a few years ago and then he started talking about this, but the credit for, making the industry open one more avenue for revenue, all the credit goes to Mr. Salman Khan.
No, it goes to your editor at that point in time. I just saw an opportunity, I took it. And after that, everyone started paying. And now I'm going to start award dena paise do.
Salman, I have a question for you. You've been a part of the industry for so many decades now. The last couple of years, obviously, it's been tough for all of us in India, but, in tough times, you saw an excessive amount of negativity, trolling, and I think the Indian film industry has always been a little bit of a soft target. It's great to see that, we bounced back, with a bang. But in the meantime, you've also had platforms like OTT, etc., become mainstay of Indian public. What are your views on how the two will coexist? Because you obviously live it every day. Will one impact the other, or?
I really don't know. I mean, when there was just the film industry, TV was not there. When TV came in, a lot of people from the film industry started getting a lot of work on television. And then the people who did not get work on television, now they started getting work on OTT. So there's a lot of work for actors. But OTT has suddenly started becoming cooler than television, which I don't think. So, I mean, this is one lot of people. एक पहले जो parallel cinema हुआ करता था, वो अब OTT हो गया है. अब OTT का पहले चक्कर, I think the first one to start this off was, I think, Ram Gopal Verma, one of the first few to do that kind of stuff on OTT. And then after that, people started watching it. And I just think that I don't believe in that kind of content. I mean, I've been here since 1989, and I have never done any of this kind of stuff. So I just think that there should be a censor on OTT, and all this, vulgarity, nudity, gali, galoch should, stop, because अब सबके पास ये सब फ़ोन पर आ गया है. सो चलो 15 साल का 16 साल का बच्चा देख ले, आपको अच्छा लगे कि आपकी छोटी सी बेटी देखे पढ़ने के बहाने में. तो आई जस्ट थिंक दैट जो कंटेंट शुड बी चेक्ड ऑन OTT, एंड जितना क्लीन होगा कंटेंट उतना बेहतर होगा. एंड आई थिंक व्यूअरशिप उसकी ज़्यादा होगी. आप ये देख लोगे, आपने परफॉर्म कर लिया, आपने लव मेकिंग सीन्स कर लिए, आपने किसिंग कर लिया, एक्सपोज कर लिया, और आप अपने बिल्डिंग के अंदर घुस रहे हैं और आपका लिफ्टमैन, आपका वॉचमैन आपका कंटेंट देख रहा है. सो आई जस्ट डोंट थिंक दैट वो अच्छा है. I mean, for security reasons, for we don't need to do that. हिंदुस्तान में रहते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत ठीक है, बट इतना ज़्यादा बीच में हो गया था. अब जाके थोड़ा कंट्रोल में आया है. Now people start doing a lot of good content and decent content. क्या होता है कि कुछ लोग कर लेते हैं, जो लोग बहुत ही talented हैं, उनको, और जो नहीं करना चाहते हैं, they get left out. So इसके ऊपर सेंसरशिप तो होना ही होना चाहिए, जो हमारी पिक्चरों के ऊपर है. जब थोड़ा सा ब्लड आ जाए, ज़्यादा हो जाए, एक्शन ज़्यादा हो जाए, वो ए सर्टिफिकेट दे देते हैं, यूए दे देते हैं. तो व्हाई नॉट हियर. टेलीविज़न पर भी है. मैं बिग बॉस होस्ट करता हूँ, मुझे पता है क्योंकि अंदर इतनी गाली गलौच होती है, इतनी मारपीट होती है, जो कि हम दिखा नहीं सकते. तो वो टीवी का जो सेंसर था, व्हाट इज कॉल्ड, हाँ क्या बोलते हैं वो टीवी के सेंसर को, कुछ है उनका एक तो वो है जो भी है, तो उनके नॉर्म्स के हिसाब से हम वो आपको वो दिखाते हैं. क्या नहीं, कुछ और ही है. हाँ ऐसा या अरे देखा, ये होता असली जर्नलिस्ट जोईता. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम सेंडिंग मी टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस दैट यू एक्साइटेड टू सी मी.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.